Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix any chronograph watch if the hands of the sub-dials, the chronograph dials, does not stop at 0 after resetting the chronograph. As you can see, after resetting the chronograph, the hands should have stopped at 0 as shown in red, but it did not. In this video I will show you how to fix this problem for any chronograph watch. I have used a Tissot watch for this demonstration, but the principle that I will teach you in this video will work for any chronograph watch, whether it's Bulova, Fossil, Citizen or luxury watches like Tag Heuer, Rolex or even Cartier watches. To fix this problem, we have to pull the crown to position 2 or position 1. So this watch needs to be fixed on 3 different hands. So we're gonna pull the crown. Here is the crown. We're gonna pull the crown to position 2. Some crown on watches, especially on diving watches, need to be unscrewed first before it can be pulled out. Once you pull the crown out, press on the other buttons on the right side to move the chronograph hands to the desired position, that is 0. Now, depending on the watch you have, one of the buttons will move one of the chronograph subdials. It may be the top one or the bottom one, whichever. But the principle is the same. You have to pull the crown 2 times and then press on the buttons on the right side and the chronograph hands will start moving. Now if you have 3 chronograph hands like in this watch, we also need to press on the buttons while the crown is at the first position. So we're gonna put the crown in the first position and press on the top button to move the 3rd dial to show 0. To finish the setting, push down the crown to the 0 position. Now as you can see, all the 3 hands of the chronograph are at the 0 position. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.